So in my previous videos, I turned Steve from Minecraft into a sponge. Then I turned a creeper into a sponge, a Minecraft chicken into a sponge. And now, after a few comments from you all, it is time to do...
Chicken Jockey!
That's right, you all. Chicken Jockey. I have been hearing all about the crazy madness going on in theaters over this chicken jockey scene, and I have yet to go watch the movie. But I think I might have some time this weekend, and I'll maybe do my own little vlog of me going to the theater and seeing if my experience is as crazy as some of these audience reactions I've seen online. Anyway, I'm using this Shuttle Art Magic Foam texture kit until I run out of the sponge paper that it comes with, and I've printed out this picture of the chicken jockey duo with this Minecraft chicken and this baby zombie creature, which is super duper cute, by the way. Next, I need to fill in the colors. I've done the chicken before and there's not many colors or shading involved, so this part was pretty easy. But what kind of gave me a little bit of trouble was the baby zombie face. The sponge paper texture was a bit difficult to work with because I wanted the baby zombie to be as close to the real thing as possible, but it was hard to shade it smoothly and evenly. The details were so tiny too, so I had to be extra careful not to mess up. But anyway, even with these small challenges, I feel like I did a good job with it. Here's the result. Now I'm gonna cut it out so that we can watch it grow when I pour water on it. Okay, so here we are. The moment of truth. Adding water. Wow. That was so satisfying. Look at how soft and spongy it is. It feels so nice, and I'm really glad that it turned out like this. So now I have 4 different Minecraft sponge characters. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Minecraft characters, or if you have some crazy, weird, awesome, kooky idea that you'd like to see me try with this art kit. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment and share this video if you'd like to see more and support me. I hope you all have a wonderful day.